Patreon member Stagger Lee asks, Steve, can you go over your Roku setup a little bit? You mentioned in your live stream, and I've been curious ever since. Been wanting to watch some classic TV on my PVM. I found that the easiest and best overall way to stream onto your old ZRT is to use a Roku streaming device. These Roku streaming devices have been on the market for a few years and are a great way to stream older video footage or even new high-definition video footage onto any type of display that you may have. Let me show you how this works and how to set it up, and it's so easy anyone can do it. I specifically use the Roku One. Now this is a few years old and more of an outdated model at this point, but I've been using mine for a few years and it works great. If you take a look around this small unit, you'll be able to see the outputs, and we've got HDMI out, but we've also got RCA video and audio out, and that's what we'll be using to hook directly to our monitor display. Now, most likely you are aware of how to hook up a composite video source. You'll want to get one of these. This is a high quality BNC adapter, and it slips onto the BNC connector on the back of your monitor. The reason for using the high quality BNC connector is so that your RCA cable won't slip off the connector. You also want to use some high quality cables to limit the noise that you'll get over composite video signal. Yeah, so this is a super simple thing to hook up. After you connect your RCA cables, all you need to do is connect the power supply unit and the Roku will automatically start up. Once your Roku starts, you'll be greeted with a nice home screen. And let's briefly look at the remote. You've got some up and down arrows, some hotkeys, and some selection buttons. Very simple to use. We're going to use this remote, go into our settings first. We want to go down to our display type. We have two choices here, 4:3 or 16:9 widescreen. Currently I'm set to 4:3 mode. Let me show you some demos of what the screen will look like on, say, a classic show like Star Trek The Next Generation. We've got no letterbox whatsoever. We've eliminated the side letterboxes that you normally get if you stream this onto a high-definition television. Now, what happens if we watch more of a modern show set to this 4:3 standard? This is a high-definition program, and I want you to notice that we've got the letterbox now at the top and bottom of our display screen. Now, I don't know about you, but that kind of smushing of the screen could drive me just as crazy as the side letterboxes on the CRT. Thankfully, we can go to our display settings and change to 16:9 in that display mode. And then if we go back into Netflix, check our high definition program again, our screen will automatically be zoomed in to where it's an entire fit on our 4:3 screen. Now you are going to lose a little bit of the side picture because the widescreen is not being displayed fully, but you do get the full stretched screen on your display and you don't have to deal with any type of letterboxing. But just remember, if you leave it in that widescreen format, when you go back to a standard definition program, it's going to smush the sides in a little bit and give you those very annoying side letterboxes. Just remember to make sure that you have your settings set to the right display format for your program and your monitor or television. The Roku One still is available in the secondary market on eBay for $30, but I would recommend trying the new Roku Express Plus. This is currently available in every box store for a retail price of $35 and offers better Wi-Fi connectivity than the Roku One. Hey, not everything's perfect about this setup, so let's talk about some of the drawbacks to this Roku. The device does need a very high-speed internet connection and a Wi-Fi connection on top of that. You're also going to be using RCA cables, which is going to downscale your picture from high definition all the way to 480i resolution. Thankfully, all high-end monitors are loaded with all kinds of features to help correct composite video like phase, chroma, and aperture grill adjustments. One last major benefit to this Roku device is it scales your picture from the device itself. You don't have to get an external scaler like you would with, say, Apple TV. Thanks again, Stagger, for the question, and I hope this helps. Now you can watch all your favorite YouTubers on your Sony PVM. If you have a question for me, please check out the link to Patreon in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and leaving a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time with some more retro content.